You and me. Time to start the video. Hi everyone, welcome to Julie's Kitchen. Today we're making stuffed peppers. Here's what you need. Stuffed peppers. The first thing we're gonna do is mix together our pork sausage, shrimp, onions, garlic, seasonings, and butter. Here's our pork that I cooked about 75% the way because I knew we're gonna put it in the oven. So that'll cook off, but I think I made way too much as usual. Here's the shrimp. Boy, I'm gonna add the onions, all of the garlic, some salt, pepper, a little bit of butter. Give that a mix. That's the filling. Now it's time to stuff the peppers. Here are the peppers. We're gonna drizzle them with a little olive oil and put some salt and pepper on them before we put the filling in. Why am I talking like that? Now the filling. Just get as much as you can. Sprinkle the top of each pepper with some cheese. Hopefully it stays, probably not, because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm running out of cheese. It's spilling on the tray. Good thing there's some foil so I don't cry when I clean. Last we have the panko, which I don't know if it's gonna stick, but we'll see if it does. If not, whatever, dude. You do you. I'm just living my best life. Yay! Time to bake! We're gonna bake it off in an oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes or until the shrimp is cooked through. So the peppers are done and now I'm gonna try it. Ta-da! Thank you for watching Julie's Kitchen. Tune in next week for another video. Bye! The first thing... Lastly, we're going to top it off with cheese and panko. Why do we say panko? Panko.